Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Equity markets are getting slammed here through the middle part of the day. Broke below 37.40 in the S&P overnight again, and then ultimately what we're seeing here is continued pressure to a low of 36.85.5. That was our next key level, but we closed below 37.40. Really paints a path to least resistance down to 36.50, 36.60 for the Nasdaq. 12,897 is that big level. We're battling there right now. That's the 100% extension from the February highs to the March lows. Why did this get going a little bit more? Obviously, there's been selling pressures all week. That we had the Fed meeting, markets digesting the Fed, but we also had inflation data. The Fed's preferred inflation indicator, the core PCE index, 1.5%, much more than the 1.3% expected. May not seem like a lot, but that's an uptick, and we've been calling for it. Inflation is going to show up. We don't see it in a lot of these metrics. We think CPI will show it first. You're starting to see PCE start to show it now too. That's a good reason to look for some pressure here in equity markets, as it might force the Fed's hand to be a little less dovish later this year at the turn of the year, and the markets are pricing that in. For crude oil, we're seeing a lot of demand out there. Big draw in the U.S. Earlier in the week, and then you also have stockpiles in China getting drawn down. So it's helping crude oil stave off the weakness in broader markets, and ultimately staying in between that 51.5 and 53.90 area. So it's confined. But the big movers here are the metals. Silver got up to about almost $28. That's our next key resistance level. We're watching at 27 and a quarter. Going through settlement right now, right there. But let's see where we finish electronic close here today. Can it hold out above that? Gold really got out above 1866, but couldn't hold it. Got slammed back down. You're seeing some selling in a lot of these metals now that the equity markets broke to a new low. So keep an eye on where we finish the day. But we do like the fact that gold, if it can continue to hold its ground despite weakness in equity markets, little divergence there is a very good sign to see. We're here to help. Give us a call, 312-278-0500. Remember, though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. It's not suitable for all investors.